Everyone, welcome to Banking Cover Nepal. Since the exam of Agriculture Development Bank is coming soon, we are here with a collection of some of the important question, and for today we have one of the important question for the upcoming exam, and that is role of Agriculture Development Bank in economic development of nation. There are few points which may be very helpful for the upcoming exam to mention in this question, that is what are the role of Agriculture Development Bank in economic development of nation. Let us go through the basic, that is about the Agriculture Development Bank. Agriculture Development Bank Limited was established in 1968, and its main objective is to provide the institutional credit for enhancing the production and productivity of agriculture sector in Nepal. We all know that banking sector plays a very important role in enhancing the overall economic growth of country. Now, what are the differences between the role played by other commercial bank and or other commercial bank or other financial institution and agricultural development bank? Since the Agricultural Development Bank was focused or established with its main objective in improving the agricultural sectors, it works by prioritizing the agriculture and deprived sector, specifically in rural areas, along with other activities. It plays an important role in maintaining the sound economic condition of country and perform the activities which contributes to the environmental stability and overall improvement of living standard in Nepal. It helps in efficient mobilization of capital by shifting the freezed amount held by public in the form of saving and investing back such capital in business and industries. In other words, it helps to mobilize the capital from unproductive sector to productive sector to make the investment in deficit sector by mobilizing the capital remaining at surplus sector. So it helps to increase the living standard of people, and it helps in increasing the purchasing power of such people too. Similarly, it plays an important role in the development of economic condition and creation of business environment by providing the non-funded facilities like bank guarantee, letter of credit, etc. And similarly, it also provides other facilities like bill of exchange, bank draft, telegraphic transport, letter of credit as medium of banking, making the international payment. So this helps to increase the international trade also. Similarly, it provides the modern banking facilities like mobile banking, ATM, internet banking, POS machine, and others. It helps in the facilities of fund transfer, top-up payment, bill payment, ticketing, which reduce the burden of customer as well as it save the valuable time of customer. It extends the banking facilities at every local level as well as at very remote and rural areas where there are no other bank and financial institution. And developing the banking habit of people by expanding its branches, counters, and branchless banking. Establishment of branches at remote areas and helps in mobilization of capital and economic development of such places. It plays a very important role by making investment in priority and deprived sectors like agriculture, hydropower, tourism, etc. Similarly, it developed the mutually acceptable relationship with government in pursuit of improvement in living standards in rural areas while respecting best financial practices. It plays an important role in creating employment opportunities also by providing the various kind of loan to agriculture and animal husbandry, and also promote youth self entrepreneurship, female entrepreneurship, and demotivate youth from migrating to foreign countries. It plays an important role in development of capital market of country through credit and investment. It helps in minimization of underground banking and protect people from high charge of capital done through informal banking at rural areas. It plays a very important role since its establishment by making investment in various sectors like agriculture, education, health, tourism, hydropower, and other priority sectors. So these are some of the roles played by Agricultural Development Bank in economic development of nation. There are some of the role which are different than the role played by other commercial banks or financial institution. as it focused on